Hey friends, if you wish to change the lid open action on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab and select power and battery in the right pane. Select lid power and sleep button controls. Okay, now you'll find the lid action here. What happens when you press the power button while uh, what happens when you do that, so you can change it here. But there is also an option which says closing the lid will make my PC do what. Now the default action is sleep, but you can also check it at do nothing or shut down or anything that you prefer. Okay, and the same for the on battery mode. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.